What if one day, Earth could no longer support human life? What if rising temperatures, pollution, or even cosmic disasters forced humanity to leave the only home we have ever known? Imagine a world where cities crumble under extreme weather, oceans rise relentlessly, and the air itself becomes harder to breathe. If that day ever comes, where could we go? Far away, in the silent darkness of space, there exists a planet that has watched us for billions of years, a world unlike any other, a planet bathed in red dust, a planet shrouded in mystery, a planet that has inspired myths, dreams, and the imaginations of countless generations. That planet is Mars. Today, we will take you on a journey to the Red Planet, exploring its history, uncovering its secrets, and understanding why it may play a crucial role in the future of humanity. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun and one of Earth's closest neighbors in the solar system. Although it is only about half the size of Earth, Mars is a world of extremes. Bitterly cold yet fascinating, quiet yet full of hidden stories. Its surface is dry, frozen, and seemingly lifeless today, but scientists believe it was not always so barren billions of years ago. Mars may have looked astonishingly different. Its valleys may have been carved by rivers, its plains dotted with lakes, and its atmosphere thick and warm enough to sustain life. Mars is famous for its striking red color, a result of iron oxide or rust in its soil. The planet's surface is rich with iron, which reacted with oxygen over eons, giving it the hue that makes it so recognizable in our night sky. Powerful winds sweep the surface, creating enormous dust storms that can engulf the entire planet. From Earth, this red glow has fascinated humanity for centuries, long before telescopes were ever invented. To ancient civilizations, Mars was more than a dot in the sky. It was a symbol of mystery, power, and the unknown. The Romans named it after their god of war. Its fiery color seemed to reflect danger and strength. One day on Mars, called a sol, lasts approximately 24 hours and 39 minutes, remarkably similar to an Earth day. But a Martian year is far longer than our own, lasting 687 Earth days. Seasons stretch for months, summers scorch, and winters bite far deeper than anything we experience on Earth. Imagine enduring a winter that lasts nearly twice as long as our coldest months. This is life on the Red Planet. Mars is home to some of the most spectacular landscapes in the solar system. There's Olympus Mons, a volcano so colossal that it dwarfs anything on Earth. Its peak towers higher than Everest, and its base stretches across hundreds of kilometers, making it a world unto itself. Then there's Valles Marineris, a canyon so immense that it could swallow continents whole. Its cliffs, gorges, and valleys tell a story of Mars' violent and geologically active past, shaped by titanic forces and volcanic eruptions. Despite its current silence, Mars once had a heartbeat. Evidence of ancient water is etched into its surface. Scientists have discovered dried riverbeds, lake basins, and minerals that only form in the presence of liquid water. Ice still exists at the planet's poles, and below the surface, frozen reservoirs may hide water in vast quantities. Billions of years ago, Mars may have had oceans covering much of its terrain. Rain may have fallen, and rivers may have carved their way through canyons and plains. And where there is water, there is hope. Hope for life. One of humanity's greatest questions may have an answer on Mars. Did life ever exist there? If life arose on Earth under similar conditions, could microbes or other simple life forms have survived on ancient Mars? NASA's rovers, Curiosity, Opportunity, and Perseverance search for clues in the rocks and soil. They hunt for chemical traces, fossils, and organic molecules that could prove that Mars was once alive. Even a single discovery could transform our understanding of life in the universe forever. Yet today, Mars is unforgiving. Temperatures can plummet to -125 degrees Celsius, colder than anywhere on Earth. Its atmosphere is thin and almost entirely carbon dioxide. Without a protective magnetic field, Mars is constantly bombarded by solar radiation. Over millions of years, these solar winds stripped away its atmosphere, evaporating water and leaving the planet a frozen desert. Despite these extreme conditions, Mars remains humanity's best hope for exploration beyond Earth. Robotic explorers have traversed its surface, collecting samples and sending back invaluable data. Perseverance is even storing rocks that may one day return to Earth, allowing scientists to study them with precision never possible on the planet itself. Every discovery teaches us more, not just about Mars, but about our own planet. Mars serves as a warning. It shows us what happens when a world loses its atmosphere and becomes uninhabitable. By studying Mars, we gain insight into how to protect Earth from a similar fate. At the same time, Mars represents hope and opportunity. Space agencies and private companies are planning missions to send humans to the Red Planet within the next few decades. Plans for habitats, oxygen production, and food cultivation are no longer science fiction. They are slowly becoming reality. Mars may one day become humanity's second home, a world where we carry our legacy, our technology, and our dreams beyond the cradle of Earth. The Red Planet may seem distant, lifeless, and harsh today, but hidden beneath its surface are answers to questions that have haunted us for centuries. Where did we come from? Are we alone in the universe? And what does the future hold for humanity among the stars? Mars is more than a planet. It is a mirror of our past, a reflection of our fragility, and a doorway to the possibilities of our future. The real question is no longer whether we can reach Mars. The real question is, are we ready for what comes next? Thank you for joining this journey to the Red Planet. If you enjoyed this exploration, like, subscribe, and share your thoughts.